Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, myself Naren Singh Maurya. So guys, this is the good news for all the streams what I have mentioned. And here is the recruitment. They have given they have given the opening for this HL recruitment. Okay, so here you know all that HL got basically few information about the HL I will use so that you can understand. This is the PSU, and you know HL has 20 production divisions, 10 R&D centers, okay, throughout the India, and from last 8 decades, that HL has grown progressively into a integrated aerospace and defense organization. Okay, till now they have designed and developed 17 type of aircraft and helicopters. So the important, if you check the outcome from HL, basically that LCA, you all heard about LCA, right? LCA, yes or no? LCA. What is the LCA? It is light combat, light combat aircraft. So this is the small, brief information about the HL. You all know, and that is nothing but Tejas. You all heard about it, LCA, right? Similarly, LCH, yes or no? LCH, which means light combat helicopter. Similarly, it is advanced light helicopter variant, that is ALH. Okay, you all heard about through, yes or no? About Dhruv, you all heard. Yes. So this is the brief uh, introduction about HL. You all know about it. So why I'm just giving the brief information about this HL, because that importance of this recruitment you can understand. Okay, this vacancy what they have given, that is enough numbers. So that importance of that vacancy you can understand, like what work this HL is what doing. So this is the tremendous work basically you can say. Okay. Similarly, you might heard about the advanced light helicopter variant LH Dhruv, LH Rudra. Yes or no? LH Rudra also you might have heard about it. LH Rudra. These are the advanced light combat advanced light helicopter variants. Yes or no? LH. So like this is the a small brief information about HL. Now if you will go for the number of vacancies and reservation, so basically number of vacancy will talk. So for the aeronautical, check the total number of vacancies here, 9, and similarly for electrical 12. Okay, electronics 44, number of post for the electronics is what more you can say, and then mechanical. Okay, and it is divided in categories also. So categories wise also you can see here. So this is the opening for the design trainee, and for the management trainee technical, if you check for the computer science, total number of opening here it is 23, and for electrical it is 16. Okay, electronics 13, and mechanical 30. So that is enough number, I can say. Similarly, for the production and metallurgy, you can check 5 and 3. So these are the total number of opening. All right. Now, what are the qualifications? If you talk about the qualification point of view, so very important, bachelor degree in engineering. Okay, bachelor degree in engineering and technology, maybe BE or BTech. No, you should have BE or BTech or its equivalent, full time 4 year after 10 plus 2. This is the required qualification. Okay, and if you check the post name, like if you are going for the design training, okay, in design training, check here. I told you this is the design training. What are the branches? Aeronautical, electrical, electronics, and mechanical. Yes or no? So check in electrical, it is electrical and first aeronautical. So aeronautical, we have branches like eligible branches related to this aeronautical disciplines, aeronautical and aerospace. So basically, you can say aeronautical AE and AS, both students are eligible for this. Similarly, in electrical also, for electrical discipline, that eligible branches are like electrical and electronics, okay, electrical and instrumentation. So this is the sub branch of the electrical engineering. So that I mean, those who have done electrical and instrumentation also, they can apply for this vacancy. Similarly, for the electronics discipline, if you check in electronics, it is electronic and communication, instrumentation and control, okay, instrumentation and electronics, applied electronics, instrumentation. So these are the eligible branches of the engineering in electronics discipline. So they can apply for this post, okay. And mechanical, like mechanical and industrial engineering, mechanical and production engineering. So these are the uh, branches for the mechanical discipline. Similarly, it will go for the management trainee. Okay, so like design trainee and management trainee, two post are available, and in that post, different type of disciplines we have. Like here, design trainee already you have seen. Now we will see the management training, and here also that disciplines it is mentioned. It is nothing but electrical, electronics, mechanical, and production. So as I already have mentioned, electrical and electronics, electrical and instrumentation, okay, for the electrical discipline. Similarly, for the electronic discipline, okay, again it is to check electronic and communication, instrumentation and controls, instrumentation and electronics, applied electronics and instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication. Okay, these are the different branches in electronic disciplines. Similarly, for the mechanical, industrial engineering, and production engineering, already I have explained. Coming to the production disciplines, for the production disciplines, industrial production, production engineering, industrial engineering, and production, mechanical production, and industrial engineering. So these are the eligible branches for the production disciplines. All right, and in that production also, production engineering and management, industrial engineering, manufacturing engineering. So these are the branches you can see here. All right, now for the computer science, as I have mentioned, this vacancies for electronic, electrical, computer science, metallurgy, and production, aeronautical and aerospace. These are the branches. Okay, there is no vacancy for the civil. All right, and fine. So for the computer science, if you check the for the computer science disciplines, the eligible branches are what? Computer science and IT. Okay, computer science and IT, information technology, information science and technology, computer systems, information science, software engineering, computer technology, computer science and engineering. So these are the eligible branches for the computer science disciplines. Similarly, for the metallurgy, material and metallurgy and material engineering. Okay, metallurgy and material technology, metallurgy and material science. So these are the different branches for the metallurgy disciplines. Now, very important, as I have mentioned, that degree is what required degree is what BE or BTech, all right. But and that too, the that students should completed their BTech or equivalent courses. Okay, but one more thing, if you check that candidates, those who are in currently in the final year, okay, they are also eligible for the uh, for the for the this post. I mean, they can fill the form and they can write the exam, but that final semester of their bachelor degree engineering or technology may also apply, provided candidates have secured the prescribed aggregate percentage of marks as indicated. So I will show you that what percentage or aggregates required for the I mean eligibility criteria, that I will show you. But it is now clear, like those who are passed out student, I mean those who have completed their graduation, BTech or BE, or those who are in final semester, okay, those who are in final semester, they are also eligible for the to write the exam. Okay, they are eligible to write the exam, fine. Now one more very important, like a few professional courses like AMI, okay, like AMI here, and AESI, Aeronautical Associate Membership of Aeronautical Society in India, okay, AESI, and similarly Aeronautical Society of India, and similarly uh, triple I, E, that is nothing but Indian Institute of Industrial Engineering. So these are the some professional body, those who are conducting exam and giving certificate, and that degree will be equivalent to BE or BTech. So they are also eligible for the vacancy, but they can apply only for the production disciplines only, like production disciplines in the sense, if you check here, this is the production disciplines. Okay, so for this production discipline in management training as well as in design training production is not there. So in management training only production is there. So that production disciplines they can apply. I mean those who are professional graduates like AMI or Aeronautical Society of India, or that Indian Institution of Industrial Engineering, triple IE. Okay, so they can apply, but in production discipline only. Rest any aeronautical or aerospace engineers, regular aeronautical aerospace engineers, they can apply in any disciplines, no problem. But professional graduates like I have mentioned here, I mean it is mentioned, and that is AMIE, okay, Institution of Engineers, and AMAESI, that Associate Membership Aeronautical Society of India, okay, and this one, that Indian Institution of Industrial Engineering. So they can apply, but in production disciplines. That should be very clear. All right. Now these are the aggregates percentage of marks for the. This is also one kind of eligibility criteria. They are asking the percentage aggregate, and it is given by the stream wise. It is given like for aeronautical, like general, and UR means unreserved, OBC, NCL, EWS candidates. So for them it is 70% for all the streams, aeronautical, electrical, electronics, and mechanical, for all 70% required. But SCST or physical uh, disable candidates, they should, if they are having only 60%, that also okay. That is eligibility criteria. Okay, aggregate percentage. Similarly, if you check here that this is what, this is the design training. Okay, if you go for the management training also, so in management training, like all the streams, disciplines, electrical, electronics, mechanical, production, computer science, and metallurgy. So for the unreserved and OBC, NCL, EWS, economical big section, EWS, for them it is 70%, and SC ST or physically disabled candidates, they if they are having only 60%, that also okay, fine. So this is the one eligibility criteria, I mean aggregate percentage of marks for the candidates. All right, next it is very important, age criteria and relaxation. So age criteria, they have mentioned the date 22 at 2023. Okay, so 22nd August, till that age should or equal or less than 28 years. That should not above 28 year. Okay, that should not above 28 year. And it is till they have clearly mentioned upper age limit not above 28 years on 22 8 23, the 22nd of August. Okay, for unreserved and EWS category candidates. Okay, remember unreserved and EWS, but like candidates from OBC, ST, ST, SC, ST, EWS categories applying for unreserved post will be treated as on per with unreserved criteria. Means sometimes like a few students belongs to this category OBC, SC, ST, EWS, but they are applying for the post uh, uh, and they are applying for unreserved post. Okay, then that time it will be treated as a that criteria will be treated as an unreserved criteria. I mean they will be considered as a general. Okay, they will not get any kind of category benefits. All right, if they are applying for the unreserved post, but if they are applying for the like OBC, SC, ST, for the same post, if they are applying, then definitely they will get that benefit of it. Like here it is given, upper age limit is relaxed by the 5 year for SGST candidate. Okay, so for general and EWS candidates, that upper age is what, 28 years, not more than that. But the same for the same post, SC/ST candidate will get 5 years age relaxation. And similarly for the OBC, if they are non-creamy layer, okay, NCL, if they are non-creamy layer, then only they will get 3 years age relaxation for the OBC. All right, so this is very important, age criteria and relaxation. Once you fill the form, please check it, okay, properly. Now we'll go for the registration process, how to uh, register for this like application. I mean how to proceed that, how to fill the form basically. So it is very clear, this is the website www.hal.india.co.in. okay, in that you just click it, this is the URL, and click it, you get the career section, and career section if you check there you may get the that link, and there you, if you open, then you will get the application form and you can fill. Okay, and very important, it is started from 22nd of the 2nd of August till 22nd of August. So only you can say 20 days you have. Okay, it is started on 2nd August and it will be closed on 22nd August. Okay, till 5 o'clock. Here it is given as 1700, means 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock evening, 5 p.m. Okay, so this is the like date you need to take care of it. Okay, you fill it, those who are eligible they can fill, okay, within this time period. All right, mode of payment of application fee. So that 500 rupees, that is the fee, okay, for the application, and that is application fee basically. So application fee, candidate belongs SC, ST, PWD, internal candidates are exempted from the payment of application fee. So basically, this once you fill the form, so that application fee, I mean online you will get the option to fill the form. So there also you will get the option to pay the fee. Okay, so but this will get, you will get once you fill the form, then definitely you will get. Okay, fine. Now, for SC, ST or physical disabled candidate, uh, they are exempted from the payment of application fee. Means for them, the fee will be zero. I mean they will get that, you can say, uh, concession, you can say. They will not uh, pay the fee for the application, okay. SC/ST and physical disabled candidates, all right. Now, but for general and OBC candidates it is 500. Anyway, what is the selection process? Selection process as usual, like you have to write exam, okay. Online exam, online selection test, all India based online selection test will be there, okay. That date and all, it is clearly mentioned, so that I will tell you. But first, there will be one online test, written test, MCQ kind of question will be there, okay. So test will be there, online test. And after that test, if you are qualified in that test, then for the interview you will be called, okay, for the interview. And after completion of this written test, and if you qualified written test, then you will be called for the interview, and you are suppose selected in interview. If you are crossing the interview, so if you are selected, it means then final round will be the medical examination, okay. So that is called pre-employment medical examination. So these are the three steps, okay, you have to cross. Uh, those who have completed online selection test and interview, but they are not physically fit, medically it is not fit, then definitely there will be problems. So all three are important. You cannot say only test and interview are important, medical is not important. No, it is not like that. All three steps are important, okay. So that is the process, selection process. Service agreement bond. Selected candidate shall execute a service agreement bond to serve HAL for period of 5 years, okay. And they have to, like, once you are selected, and to execute the service agreement bond to serve HAL, you have to submit one bond for a period of 5 years, okay. And in case of breach of service agreement during the training periods or after absorption as engineer, so you just remember this. They are asking the post as a trainee, okay, design trainee or management trainee. But once you complete your training period, then you will be absorbed as a engineer. I mean, you will be absorbed as a permanent employee. That's the mean of it, right? The candidate is liable to reimburse the actual training expenses, okay. All the remuneration paid and expenses incurred during the training period, subject to maximum 5 lakh rupees. So remember, once you have to like, suppose after selection, uh, if you are selected, and then you have to you have to go through this agreement bond for 5 years. And if any breach or something will happen, then that bond is what, for 5 lakh rupees, so that you take care of it, okay. Placement and emoluments. Basically, see, selected candidate would be posted in any of the production, overall, or service division, research and design centers, offices based on the requirements of the company. They will undergo 52 weeks of training. As I told you, you have to go through first the training, okay, period. And once you complete the training period, uh, it is like, once you have completed suppose training period, after that you will be absorbed as an engineer, okay. That's the mean. So I'll explain it so you will understand. Program comprising the various training modules, including theoretical and on job training, OJT, okay. At various places, the location where the selected candidates will be posted will be decided before joining HCL, okay. As I told you, HL, they have many segments in different cities also. Okay, so that training and OGT, you have to complete 52 weeks of training will be there. 52 weeks of training program, right? Fine. And then the location where the selected candidate will be posted will be decided before joining HCL. All right. Now, during the training period, this is important. During the training period, trainees shall draw a stipend comprising of a basic 40,000. Okay. So during your training period, you will be having a stipend money, and that is of amount 40,000. Okay, variable dearness allowances and canteen allowances. As I told you, different cities. So based on that different cities, you will have a variable dearness and allowances, that is DA. Okay, canteen allowances, and besides bachelor accommodation is also admissible during the training period as per the company rules. So if you are bachelor, so for you they will provide accommodation also. I mean, uh, canteen, dearness allowances, and accommodation, all the facility they will provide, and a stipend amount, stipend money, that amount will be 40,000 rupees during your training. Okay, that is the second number. Third number is what? This is important. Okay, on successful completion of training, as I told you, after completion of training, the trainees would be absorbed as engineer in the grade 2 scale of paying, sorry, 40,000 to 1,40,000. This is the salary. Okay, on absorption, you will be I mean, you will be posted as a uh, like engineer after completion of your training, successful completion of your training. They will absorbed as engineers in the company, grade 2 skill. That is the good thing. Okay. Sorry. All right, all the facility they will be providing once you will be selected. I mean, once you will be completing your training period and you will be absorbed as an engineer. So that time they will provide all the facility like TADA, that I told you already, and here house rent and all accommodation they will provide. Okay, and performance related pay and the medical facilities also they will provide, provident fund, PF and gratitudes, everything like what are the central government rule, they will provide everything. Fine. This is very important. Tentative schedule of activities. This is very very important. Okay, you have to check online registration. As I told you, it will be starting from 2nd of August 5 o'clock, and 22nd of August it will be closed again, it is 5 o'clock. So 5 p.m. on 2nd August it is going to start, and it is going to close 5 p.m. 22nd August. Okay, so in that period only you have to register. I mean, you have to fill the application form. That's the mean of it. Download the e-admit card. It will be available on the HL website, and when admit card you can get, it is 28th of August. Check till 22nd of August, you have to fill the form. I mean, that date it will be closed at 5 o'clock 22nd of August, and 28th of August that admit card will be available on website, so you can get. This is very important. Online selection test. When you will have online test, it will be November, sorry, September, right, 9th of September 23 to 11th of September. I mean, in 2 3 days it will take time, right? So in this time period, I mean, it will start from 9th of September till 11th of September will be the online selection test uh, exam will be there. Okay, result you may get on 13th 9th, means very fast. So 13th of September you will get your result on website. Okay, and if you are if you are selected, I mean, if you are qualified in the online test, then you will be called for the interview. Okay, and for the interview you will have a call letter. Again, it will be available on HL website. You download and go for the interview on the 18th of the September. Yes or no? If you are shortlisted, okay, in interview also. So interview for the shortlisted candidate at HL. So this is nothing but October, right? 9th October 2023 and 11th October 2023. Okay, so that list will be given to you. I mean, it will be uploaded, those who are shortlisted in interview also. So declaration of the list provisionally selected candidate in HL website that you may get on 13th of October, right? Download provisional offer of the appointment. Again, it will be 18th of the October. Then after that, you will go for the medical test. That medical test timing also it is given 25th of the October to 10th of the November. Okay. If you have done till this, then you will go for the third or fourth week of the November for the commencement of training program at HL management final. So this is the whole things, tentative schedules of activities. It is very important. Any kind of question during the filling the form, if you got any kind of frequently asked question, then you go for this mail. Okay, they HL that but they have given notification. This mail, the mail is what available. So I have mentioned here. Any kind of question if you want to ask while filling the form, any problems, or if you are suffering due to any reason, then you can mail them. They will definitely reply for you. Okay. Thank you. So I will suggest those who are eligible candidates go and fill this form. This is very good opportunity to explore your skills, and this is very nice PSU. So even I will suggest you just start your preparation, fill the form, and start your preparation. For aeronautical aerospace engineers, I will suggest like the GATE syllabus. What is the GATE syllabus? Based on that, you will start your preparation. Videos are available on my YouTube channel for the GATE syllabus. Okay, and subjects like performance and aerodynamics. So whatever it is required for aeronautical and aerospace, please go and prepare. Any kind of doubt, if you face for notes or any kind of anything, if you need, especially aeronautical and aerospace, you can write on comment box, or my number is what available. So you can like send message or something. So definitely I will help you out. Okay. So all the best, guys. Do hard work, fill the form, write exam. All the best. Thank you.